say the president has acted unpresidential. Former Vice President Joe Biden is the only one with a clear advantage over the president among registered voters, ahead by 10 points. 53% for Biden, 43% for the president.
He's the bully that I knew my whole life. He's the bully that I've always stood up to. I think the American people want a president who has some dignity, who has a value set, who is actually trying to restore the soul of this country.
The poll also touched on immigration, with 80% of Americans saying it will be an important issue in the 2020 vote. Just 40% approve of how the president is handling immigration. A report last week from the Inspector General is calling on the Department of Homeland Security to address overcrowding at detention centers.
This is an extraordinarily challenging situation. We had an overflow situation with hundreds of children crossing every day. That's why we were asking for funding for Health and Human Services.
Pictures in that report have many Democrats calling for change at the southern border.
You make sure you're not separating parents from their kids, something I would do in my first 100 days as president, and then you bring in comprehensive immigration reform.
Rachel Scott, ABC News, Berkeley Heights, New Jersey.
A social media summit at the White House will not include two of the biggest names in social media. That's according to CNN sources familiar with the upcoming meeting. They say representatives from Facebook and Twitter were not invited. The summit is set to address issues facing large tech companies. And turning to weather now, a little bit of a cool down, but boy, it is still thick and
yeah, that's the thing, because outside this
out
morning, I was talking to the family, we're sitting on the porch having some breakfast, and they're like, oh, it feels pretty nice out here. I'm like, yeah, just take a couple steps.
Yeah.
You'll feel it. Humidity's still high. A lot of us didn't even get into 90 today, but it still felt like the 90s when you factor that humidity. Take a look outside, and we'll go over to the shore, because I thought, why not? A lot of folks probably had a nice 4-day weekend out at the beach, and right now in Ocean City, it is rather delightful. Blue skies out there, nice blue water. Sand looking pretty pristine, 79 degrees. East-northeasterly winds, all in all, a pretty calm and comfortable stretch over at the shore. Want to show you the radar because there's not much happening. There have been a few showers west into West Virginia, western Maryland, a few showers, a couple down to our south. We had one little shower up in southern Montgomery County that's pretty much rained itself out. But notice this little cell right here over east of Annapolis. That's Route 50 going east. That's the Bay Bridge. And I wanted to show you because we were looking at this a little while ago, and now the visibility has come back. But for a few moments, the rain was coming down so hard you couldn't even see the span. That is the eastbound span there. The westbound span is the ones that are just slowly moving across the bay on the other side. Hope you had a good trip. Meanwhile, at home, some building cumulus clouds for sure. 86 at Reagan National, Chantilly the same. Gaithersburg into 84, 86, Martinsburg 81 right now. Leonardtown, you factor the humidity. Look at that. Most of us still feel like the low 90s, so you're feeling that mugginess and that stickiness outside across the area. On the comfort scale, we know where we are, 70s. We are soupy, and that soupy air is even with us tomorrow. It won't be as hot tomorrow and some showers. The air will dry out through the latter half of the day, and then for Tuesday and Wednesday, the drier air moves in. So Tuesday, Wednesday, really probably my pick of the week. Now tonight, some showers and storms. We're not seeing much now, but they will begin to develop, and they'll actually carry us into the first half of tomorrow morning. So for the morning drive, I think some scattered rain and maybe even some thunder is possible in the morning. So definitely a little slower, yellow light, use a little caution for the early morning rush. Here's our futurecast through the overnight, some periods of rain. Notice when these yellows and oranges and reds, midnight to maybe 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, even at 5 o'clock for the drive, some periods of rain. We'll have an easterly wind flow probably up through lunchtime, but by late tomorrow, swim meets happen tomorrow night. I know we got to be participating in that tomorrow. I think we're going to dry out. Humidity will drop back, and it does get better. But it could be a lot of rain. Some models hinting anywhere from ½ an inch to almost 2 inches, and that's why we have a flash flood watch up for the entire DMV as we head through tonight and into early tomorrow morning. So your forecast for tomorrow, showers, maybe some rumbles of thunder, only 79, but very muggy. As we go through the afternoon, we will start to dry out. Tuesday, Wednesday, my pick of the week. Thursday, maybe a few more storms, but the humidity and the temperatures are not as intense for the week ahead.
So the pool day, the beach day, if you were able, Tuesday, Wednesday, right in the middle of the week, huh?
Yeah, do you know anybody has those days off?
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you very much. Thank you for ordering that up.
Yeah.
I appreciate that. But we are all focused on the women's national team, world champions once again.
They were favorites throughout the tournament. The pressure was on, and they really played extremely well on the biggest stage of all, winning another World Cup championship. The red, white, and blue shining bright tonight. What a performance by the U.S. women's national soccer team. World champs again. You'll hear from a happy group of ladies next in sports. Stay with us.
When you need critical information quickly, turn to the ABC7 News on the Go app to provide essential news and information fast. Download the ABC7 News on the Go app now. Sponsored by My Eye Doctor, Doctors of Optometry. Meet the man trying to find his perfect woman and needs your help to do it.
Wife wanted, $1,000 reward. I'm looking for love. It's that simple.
A determined bachelor's unique approach to finding love. Monday on ABC7 News at 6.
So you want to instantly keep up with breaking news, traffic, and weather alerts in the DMV? Well, the answer is in the palm of your hand. It's the ABC7 News app. And if you haven't already downloaded the ABC7 News app, it's really easy to do. And best of all, it's free. So check this out. Just go to the App Store or Play Store, type ABC